Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. Today I'm going to show you kind of an unusual car, something you don't see every day. It is a 1973 Mercury Montego MX. Now, this car is in fabulous condition. The exterior of this car is absolutely beautiful, finished in a bronze color with a tan vinyl top. Original colors on this car. Car has a 302 engine in it, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning that blows ice cold. Very, very nice, clean car. This car has a set of Scott Drake wheels on it. They call them Vision wheels, with a brand new set of BF Goodrich Radial TA raised white leather tires. Really sets this car off. Beautiful color. The chrome, the stainless, all the bright work on this car is in amazing shape. I bought this car and I'm like, man, I can't pass it up. It's just such a clean car. Beautiful, beautiful color. Super clean inside and out. We have the Deluxe Marty report on this car, original window sticker, some other original documents from the previous owner, oil change receipts, records, stuff like that. You can see how nice the top is on it too, all the way around. The glass of the car is all in great shape. Door handles, all this bright work. Super nice car. Show you the interior quick. Seats are in great shape, front and back. Dash pad's immaculate. Panels. Even the back seat, the headliner, super nice. Dome light works. All your seat belts are intact. Sun visors. There's only a few things on the car that I can see that aren't up to, perfect standards. The package tray's got a little fade and discoloring in it. Man, what a gorgeous car. Car starts and runs great. Drives good. You look on the front of the hood here, it's a couple small little bubbles right here on the black. See that? I wasn't gonna fix that. I mean, it's minute, but that's just what we do here at Kenyon Classics. You watch my videos, you look at my cars, you know that whatever I see, you're gonna see. Power seat in this car. Open the hood here for you. We sell these cars all over the country and all over the world, and probably 75% of our clients, they never come here to look at these cars, because they rely solely on our pictures and videos and descriptions of these cars to make a decision whether to purchase them. Just see how nice this car is. So we're going to shoot you straight, tell you exactly what we know about them. This is how we do business. We've been in business for over 50 years. We're honest with people. We're upfront with people. There we go. There's the engine bay, super clean as well. New battery in it. showed you that side. Original, some more oil change stickers down there. Wheels look great on this car. Headlights, turn signals. Great looking car. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com. There's all the original owner's manuals and brochures. Marty report, copy of the original build, window sticker. That is the original window sticker, looks like. Build sheet, other documentation. Armrests are nice, door panels, dash, steering wheel, just everything about this whole car is just really, really nice. The only light on in the dash is the alternator light, and I'm not sure why it's on. I haven't had any charging issues with the car. I'll get that checked out though, but like I say, that just shows you how honest we are here at Kenyon Classics. I show you everything about these cars that we know. It does have an AM radio. The AM radio works. Drives good, stops good. No pulling or pulsating on the car when you step on the brakes. Steering's nice and tight on the car. Somebody's gonna get themselves one beautiful car. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in buying this beautiful Mercury Montego, or maybe one of the other cars we have in stock, feel free to give us a call at any time. Or if you're interested in selling your classic car, we may be interested in purchasing it. Give us a call today and let us know the details on your car. Beautiful day here at Kenyon Classics, guys. I hope you all have a great day, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car from Kenyon Classics. Have a great day, everybody.